In today's video, I'm going to teach you Docusign eSignature, how to set template matching behavior. 5 minutes. Template matching in Docusign helps you save time by recognizing when a document you upload looks like one of your existing templates, then applying that template automatically or prompting you to confirm. Here's how to set it up and tailor the behavior to your workflow. Start by signing into your Docusign account. Once you're on the home or send page, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From the menu that appears, open My Preferences. This is where Docusign collects your personal and sending settings, including template matching. In the Preferences area, navigate to the Template Matching section. You'll see an option to match templates to uploaded files. Turn this on. With this setting enabled, Docusign will scan the content of files you upload and compare them to your saved templates. Next, choose how you want matches to be handled. If you select Automatically Apply, Docusign will attach the match template for you as soon as it finds a confident match. This is the fastest option and is great when your documents are consistent and you trust your templates. If you prefer more control, pick Notify Me. In that mode, you'll get a dialog asking you to confirm or choose from suggested templates before anything is applied, which can help prevent mistakes when your files vary from project to project. You can fine-tune accuracy with the match percentage setting. This threshold tells Docusign how closely a document must resemble a template before it's considered a match. A higher percentage means stricter matching, which reduces false positives but may miss valid matches if your documents have small variations. A lower percentage is more forgiving and can catch more matches, but you may see an occasional suggestion that isn't right. If you're unsure, start moderately and adjust based on your results. There's also an option to check every page. By default, Docusign looks at the first and last 25 words of your files to match quickly. Enabling the Every Page option tells Docusign to scan the entire document, which can improve accuracy for longer or more complex files, though it may take a bit more time during upload. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Save to apply your settings. That's it. From now on, your uploads will follow the matching behavior you chose. If you don't see matches, confirm that templates exist for the documents you're sending and adjust the percentage or scanning scope to dial in the right balance of speed and accuracy.